Global Media Monitoring Report of Pakistan. In previous topic, we talked about the Global Media Monitoring Project, and we discussed the scope of this project, and we come to know that Global Media Monitoring Project is the longest and study conducted to see the uh, gender-based indicators of the media. Now, in this topic, we are going to see the situation in Pakistan and the study conducted in Pakistan related to gender-based indicators. If we say that today Pakistan boasts a vibrant and a large free media, this is a fact. And this is the outcome of the 2002 policy of liberalization that led to the rapid growth of private electronic media, both TV and FM radio. Now there are more than 100 TV channels working in Pakistan. Pakistan first time participated in 2010 in the Global Media Monitoring Project, and second time Pakistan participated in 2015. And this in this topic and in this lecture, we will see the results of 2015 study. And in this study, this study is based on the monitoring of 6 newspapers, 4 news channels, 2 radio channels, and 5 news websites. The finding of this study indicate that women constituted 36% of all news stories as compared to 27% in GMMPP 2010 findings. The news stories that portrayed news subjects as victim had 61% female subjects and 38% male subjects. 19% of the news subjects that were photographed were female as compared to 9% male news subjects. The presence of female reporters in newsrooms stand at 16% across media. 25% of the news stories with female subjects were covered by female reporters as compared 75% of the news stories covered by male reporters. 33% of all female reporters reported news stories with women as central focus as compared to 19% of male reporters. All news stories with women as central focus stood at 32% in print, TV, and radio. The news stories highlighting gender inequalities 4%, and challenging stereotypes remained in negligibly low proportions. 31% of women news subjects were identified by their family status as compared to only 5% in news stories. So these are the findings of 2015 study conducted by the Global Media Monitoring Project in Pakistan. And when we compare these findings with the global findings, we come to know that these findings are identical with the global findings. Pakistan is no exception at all, and we have a similar kind of findings uh, prevailing at the global level.